Hello, it's Tech Mode Official. Today we are gonna learn about how we can write blog articles using Openai and ChatGPT. It's a simple process using a plugin that would help you write a full-length articles using Openai that will be plagiarism free and organic. Firstly, you have to think of an title that you would write blog on. Write a title, think of the keywords. When you are finished writing your title, copy the title, click on the AI button available on your top right corner, paste the title in this blog, shows the number of headings, select next. Then it will be ready to create some custom headings. As you can see, the AI has generated some keywords as well as headings that you can choose from. It's a bunch of headings. You don't have to choose all. You can select from the file and rest you can delete like this. Click on the cross button, it will be deleted. When you finish selecting the headings, click on the next button. Select the writing style. I have set it to informative and tone to informal. You can select as you want. Click on add image and introduction buttons as you like and then generate. As you can see from behind, the AI has started generating the article. See, it will create article in a couple of minutes. I mean in seconds it can use the AI and write the articles. Look for the introduction. It's nice, has some grammatical errors, but that can be edited. You can copy the text and check for the plagiarism, but I assure you that it's 100% plagiarism proof. As it's AI handwritten, so you have to edit some headings, maybe some errors. After finalizing the article, you can go to your settings tab, add the categories where you want to add. I'm selecting the trends. For heading and tags, I'm selecting the heading as a tag, pasting it here. If featured image you want, you can create your own featured image and select. It's the blog generated now. You can look for all the edits you want. After finalizing the article, you can publish the article. It will be live on your website without any error. So let's publish it. As you can see, it's published. We can view the post. So it's here. The generated article is now published. AI has done a good job. This plugin is a simple plugin. It's a free plugin that you can use. Just you have to add this in your WordPress. As you can see, AI content writer, I have added so many plugins. It does not make any difference with the plugins and don't give out bad output to your website. This is the plugin AI content writer. I will give the link of this plugin in the description. Please check that. It's a free plugin. You just have to add your API key from the OpenAI dashboard.